Oh. I think that song was actually preparing us for the amount of meat we were going to find in the Kenyan style later on in life. So when we were young, we just thought it was a song, but ideally, I actually think it was actually preparing us for a Kenyan culture. You know, nyama 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 nyama, ya kuku nyama. So that is what we'll be making for today. And last time when we were here with this same attire, you remember what we were making? Some cocktails and mocktails. So I hope ushaanza kujipanga nazo. So for today, remember, there is no Kenyan celebration where you have drinks without meat. Nyamachoma, kambuzi pale, kangombe fry, kakuku. So that's what we'll be making for today. Just some chicken wings for this day. So for today, we're going to start with some chicken wings. What we're going to do is divide basically the wings part and the drumettes part. So you know the wings is this, and the drumette is this. So we're just going to begin by cutting. So you can cut, then break. So there you have it, the wings and the drumette. So that's what we're going to do for all of this while dumping them into our marination bowl. Once we have it in our marination bowl, what we're going to do is add some little bit of oil. So we add some bit of oil. Then our spices. Either the trick for any marination is very simple. You have to make sure you have your oil, your spices, some acid. So the next thing is our acid, which is some bit of lemon juice. You can also use vinegar as well. Then after that, you add in your sweeteners, which can be anything from honey, sugar, anything. So for this, I'm just going to add some bit of mustard. Then our soy sauce. Then give it a good mix to coat everything together. So make sure all those pieces of meat are all coated, like vizuri kabisa kabisa, ziko coated kabisa. So once they are coated, you're just going to cover this with a cling film and set it to marinate. So cover with a cling film and set it to marinate. So after marinating for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, it should be ready for frying. So that's how it looks after marination. So I'm just going to deep fry this for some few minutes, then we coat it. So let's deep fry them. We're heating our oil. So now we insert our chicken. So one at a time. Then allow them to fry until they are golden brown on all sides. As it's frying, we turn it to the other side. Make sure you flip. So once it's ready, We're just going to remove them and place it on a paper towel. Once we've removed our chicken from the frying pan, next we're just going to put another pan to heat. Then, since we're all about making it very simple for us in the kitchen, even if you don't have the nyamachoma ingredients and all that, with just the chicken, then with this, the choma sauce, you can actually have your choma at home very easily. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add some bit of it. So once we add it, we're just going to let it heat up slightly, very slightly. So we just let it heat up slightly. Next, we just throw it back our chicken wings and just coat it. You can do it in batches to ensure that all pieces are actually coated. Just to ensure all pieces are coated. That is where the nyamachoma taste comes from. And also, if you have liquid smoke, please, by all means, use it. It also enhances that nyamachoma flavor. So we let it cook and baste in the choma sauce. So once it's ready, we're just going to switch off the fire and serve. That's it. We serve and do the taste test. Simple as that. Ready for our taste test. Oh. Maybe you can't even tell haujakula nyamachoma because it's giving. It's seriously giving. It is giving. I tell you. So make sure you also enjoy yourself. Just go prepare this yummy chicken wings with the choma sauce and you will love it, I tell you. So thank you so much. Remember to tune in next time, same place, over here with me, Stacey Candy at Holla Me. Thank you so much. Tag your family and friends to come and subscribe. See you as I continue eating my yummy chicken. A bowl of deliciousness. Till next time, bye.